How to use ChatGPT to draft an email. Here are some tips for drafting an email in an effective way. 1. Start with a clear subject line. Make sure the subject line clearly conveys the purpose of the email. This helps the recipient understand the context of the message and prioritize their response. 2. Keep it concise. People receive many emails every day, so it's important to keep your message brief and to the point. Be clear and concise in your writing and avoid unnecessary details or jargon. 3. Use a professional tone. When drafting an email, it's important to maintain a professional tone. Use proper grammar and punctuation, and avoid using slang or overly casual language. 4. Address the recipient by name. Start the email by addressing the recipient by name. This adds a personal touch to the message and shows that you value their time and attention. 5. Be specific about your request. If you are asking the recipient for something, be specific about what you need and why you need it. This will help the recipient understand the importance of your request and respond appropriately. 6. Include a clear call to action. CTA end the email with a clear call to action. This could be a request for a meeting, a follow-up email, or a specific action the recipient needs to take. 7. Proofread before sending. Before hitting the send button, take a moment to proofread your email. Check for spelling and grammar errors, and make sure the message is clear and easy to understand. By following these tips, you can draft an effective email that conveys your message clearly and professionally. Here are some resources that can help with drafting effective emails. 10 Tips for Effective Email Communication by Forbes. This article provides tips on how to write clear and concise emails that get your message across effectively. The Ultimate Guide to Email Etiquette by HubSpot. This comprehensive guide covers everything from subject lines to follow-up emails and provides best practices for professional email communication. How to Write Clear and Professional Emails by Grammarly. This article provides tips on how to write emails that are easy to understand and free of grammar and spelling errors. Email Writing. 10 Classroom Activities by Busy Teacher. This resource provides classroom activities for teaching email writing skills, including exercises on writing effective subject lines and using appropriate tone. Writing Effective Emails by the University of Leicester. This online course covers the basics of email writing, including best practices for structuring messages, using appropriate language, and formatting emails for maximum impact. These resources can help you improve your email writing skills and communicate more effectively with your colleagues and clients.